if you could recall at that time, a lot of people were getting imports from China for masks, sanitizers, and it was a different phase altogether. People were running after all these products. So we thought in a different angle we should help the labs. I'm Varun Nagpal. We've got a proprietorship company called OC India. So this was in the year 2020, month of May, when the cases of COVID were rising in India. So we thought of doing something which could help the country. When we connected with a lot of laboratories, they were importing these extraction kits. They were importing the amplification kits for testing the COVID. Looking at India, the kind of affordability that we could have here, people could not afford a test which was costing about 3,000 at that time. We made an Excel sheet. We thought that we should, cut down the cost. How we can do it was the main task. The kind of quality these Chinese companies could give or the German companies could give, we could not even stand close to what they were giving as standards of quality. So we got connected with a lot of manufacturers who were into lab consumables manufacturing, and then we gave them our die. This is the product we require. It took us almost 7-8 months to develop the right kind of quality. In the meanwhile, our scientists could do the job. We got our RNA extraction kit ready. We got it validated by ICMR. The very first attempt, we got 100% satisfactory results. We were very happy. So the second step was, of course, the test license and then the manufacturing license. If a kit is costing 100 rupees, 70 rupees would be the cost of consumables. So we could reduce the costing by about 70%. Because it was a startup, it was a new company, we had no big funds. We had to obviously set up a lab. So we came to know that JNU is a Atal Incubation Center for Innovation. So we met Dr. Hemant here, and he suggested that you can enroll here. And we have a well-equipped BSL-3 lab. You can use that lab. If you can get a license to manufacture this kit here, and they'll give us all the support. We are sitting right now in the BSL-3 lab, and this lab, for us to set up, if we had to do that at that time, just for a license, would cost us more than a couple of crores.
And now the professors and the teachers and the students who are doing research in various domains are now capable of delivering high-impact translational research to the society.
To develop a product, it's not a single-day task. You need to keep changing the formulas. You need a lot of help from experienced scientists, which are already here in JNU. So these scientists are not on my payroll. They just help me because I am an incubator here. So that kind of help you'll get nowhere in the world. So that help, that family kind of atmosphere here, that they want me to be successful, that's something very encouraging.